Yeah, just throw it to anybody else.
Yeah, as she said, the MSLA report was an eye opener for me. The area, especially the area of improvement, and that underestimation and overestimation. So I was confident that I am good in something, but for my team it is not the case. So that was a real realization which I have to work upon. And for like I am a reporting manager, so for my next appraisals there are a lot of things I'm taking, and I'll be considering that. I'll be implementing that. Thank you.
Okay. Before entering into this session, I was little agitated. My work used to be full of anger, and whenever emails used to come like balls from here and there, I could not manage many things. And at the end of the day, I used to get frustrated. And to be very frank, I came across this session for 2 days break.
Fair enough.
Yeah. But I learned that how we have to manage things with calmness, putting ourselves into other shoes, thinking about my manager, why he was doing such things. So I realized many factors. So I'll be working on it. I'll be putting my knowledge to my teammates as well. So what servant leadership is, and I will try to achieve that path of servant.